Guys, as you can tell, this is our Reeves floor plan here at True Homes. A little over 2,000 square feet. By the way, we're out here at the Glens Part 2, about a mile down the road from Wingate University in Monroe, one of our fastest selling neighborhoods in Charlotte. This is the Reeves floor plan. People love it because it's got a wide open floor plan from the living space to the kitchen. It's got a powder room and then a full office. Just super useful. So here's the powder room. Right when you walk in, and as by the way, the Glens too has a nice little playground for the kiddos right outside of the cell center. I'm Blake Lomberger. Give me a call anytime if you would like to view this or any of the other properties. My number is 843-810-0788. Let me take you upstairs. In this floor plan, we're going to have all 3 bedrooms upstairs. The 2 guest rooms will share a bathroom. I'll show you those. And then the primary, of course, will have its own bathroom. So this is bedroom number 3, full closet, nice size. And then here is the bathroom. They share dual vanities. Love the tile they selected in this, by the way. This is bedroom number 2. Nice size closet as well. And then here is the primary bedroom. In the primary bathroom, dual vanities as well in the primary. Nice shower. And then the closet for the primary just kind of wraps around here. Nice and roomy. Guys, this is the Reeves model. 2110. 3 bedrooms upstairs. You also have the laundry room with a folding table and the cabinets. Nice options to have. Once you get a folding table, you will always have one. And then don't forget as well, in the Reeves, you also have a secondary living space upstairs. So nice for the kiddos to play somewhere. Again, this is the Reeves floor plan here at True Homes. Blake Lomberger. I sell exclusively for True Homes. Give me a call anytime if you would love to come and check out our Wingate neighborhood, the Glens 2, one of our fastest selling neighborhoods in